Good evening to you all. To all my drunker friends out there who might be struggling because there is no liquor available these days due to lockdown. But not to worry, today I have come up with a recipe wherein you can make a homemade toddy or a kind of a wine. So there are a few things that you need before you prepare. That is majorly this is the main ingredient, coconut. So let's say for 1 liter of toddy, you can have 3 pieces of this coconut. Pour that water in one bowl, big bowl, and in 1 liter, I would suggest you to have at least 3 teaspoons of sugar and the main ingredients, that is yeast. A quarter spoon of yeast. So this is a dry yeast. So what you need to do is you need to first dissolve this yeast into a warm water, and once it is dissolved, you can take that out and mix it into the coconut water that we have it here in the bowl. Stir it properly, and once you see that yeast and sugar is melted and dissolved, that's it. After that, you can just let me just show you how it will turn out too. So this is how it's gonna look like once it is done. Okay, so once you prepare your toddy, cover it up with the napkin paper, the tissue paper. Do not use that metal cap, because there is a chances that it may explode because it will form a gas, and so it's for a caution, use a napkin or the tissue paper. Once it is done, keep it for 24 hours in the room temperature. I would not suggest you to keep it into the fridge. What you can do is, once the 24 hours window is over, then as per your taste, you can either keep it inside the freeze and use a cold drinks, or you can use it in the room temperatures level. Let me also tell you, this will not probably give you that whiskey or a scotch taste, but I'm sure that this will do entertain you, and you can have a good time pass at home during this lockdown. All right, so give it a try, and I'll again come up with my new latest recipe on how to do different things while you're sitting at home. All right, so take care and enjoy the drinks.